Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. I have not filmed a video in a very long time, so it does feel a little strange. So I do apologize for not posting in a while for those of you who are notified. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I think I want to start with the premium box. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. They did get banged up pretty bad. Premium box is always blue on the inside. And here is the little card. It is the Glam Vibes Only. And with this one, you do get 6 full-size items, which is typically what it is. It says 6 to 7, but usually it's 6. I did not get the regular box, just the premium and the luxe box. I typically don't get the regular base box whenever the luxe box comes out, which is every 3 months. That's just, I'm not sure why, but I think it's because my luxe is the base box plus, I guess. Not really sure how that works, but it's always happened like that. So the first item in here is the Kush Lip Scrub from Milk Cosmetics. I love Milk. I love their Kush lip products. I own both the lip balm that comes in a tube like this, plus the one with kind of like the cold tip. And this retails for $22. So it's got really beautiful packaging, as you can see. Milk makeup packaging is very sleek, which I really love. And it's just like a clear kind of chapstick form. It doesn't feel very scratchy. I mean, I guess it does. Me showing you this isn't really going to do anything, but you can kind of see that it does have some sugar in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't really know what it's going to do on the lips. It does feel really conditioning, and there are kind of small bits of kind of sugar that I can feel in there, but not really sure how that's going to work. I will probably just throw this in my purse to try it out, and I love the fact that it is a magnetic closure. Up next, from For Your Skin, I believe is what it's called. It's a surgical stainless steel roller. It is the ice roller. So I'm assuming that you stick this in your freezer. It says thoroughly cleanse and dry skin, remove ice roller from freezer. Okay, and allow to sit for a few minutes. It's good for lymphatic drainage, and you can also use it as a spot treatment. And this is what it looks like. I don't necessarily have like really puffy skin or anything like that, but I guess it would be kind of nice to use. It does feel pretty cool already, so I can't imagine what it would feel like in the freezer. That would definitely be a good thing to wake up to if you're not a morning person. Oh, it's from Kitsch. So the brand is called Kitsch, and the roller retails for $18. Next up from Stila, we have a smudge stick waterproof eyeliner in the shade Vivid Amythest, which is a really pretty like dark purple. So that is what the packaging looks like. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it is a dark purple, and I do have an eyeliner color similar to this from Charlotte Tilbury that I really love. I'm actually wearing it now on my eyes, but this almost looks like brownish black. It's kind of hard to see the true color there. I'm gonna try and get it to focus. So there is the color there in Vivid Amythest. Very pretty. Excited to have different colored eyeliners. So that retails for $22. Next up in the box, we have a Brilliance facial oil. Sorry, this is from Emma Hardie. It's called the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It increases moisture levels, elasticity, balances the skin, and it's an antioxidant protection, whatever that means. And this retails for a whopping $55. So that right there already covers the price of the box and then some. It's really beautiful packaging, as you can see there. I'm not really one for facial oils. I've never used facial oils, nor do I know how. And I do have problematic skin. As you can see, I have a friend here, so say hello to my new friend. I'll see how I feel about it. I don't know if I'll keep it or not, so maybe I'll just put that to the side and possibly put it in a future giveaway. Again, that retails for $55. Next up, from Marc Jacobs, we have the Coconut Gel Highlighter Dewdrops in the shade Tantalize. I think I might already have something similar to this, if I'm not mistaken, if not this exact one, so let me just double check. Okay, so I do have one already in the shade Dewdrops, and this one is in Tantalize. Tantalize does seem a bit dark, so I don't know if I could actually use this. I'm going to pump some out on the back of my hand. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful, but I think it might be too dark for me, but because I did open it, I won't be able to put it in a giveaway, so I'll probably give this away to a friend. But that is absolutely stunning. I love this highlighter. I don't use it as often as I should because I tend to forget that I have it since it's in the back of my drawer, but it's so beautiful. And this retails for $45. And then last but not least, from the brand Eloise Beauty, we have the Queen eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty that artwork is. Absolutely beautiful. I've never heard of Eloise, so that's exciting. And I love how the picture on the outside is the same as the sleeve. It's absolutely beautiful. There's definitely lots of purples and pinks, which I don't typically go for, with a beautiful pop of blue down here. But it is absolutely stunning. So it says that there's 4 textures, so 8 mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. But a very, very beautiful palette all around. I cannot wait to start using that. So the total value of the box is $208. The cost of the box is $35, so you save over $173, which is amazing. Let's move on to the Luxe box. Moving on to the Luxe box, this one is substantially heavier. Obviously, it has the same theme, and this one has 8 products, which I feel like in a Luxe box, I've only ever gotten 7, so I think that's pretty cool. And right off the bat, I do see some Fenty, so that is exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and grab for that first. This is the Fenty Duo Highlighter in the shades 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. These are shades that I would probably never use as a face highlight unless it was like a special event or like a Halloween theme. They are absolutely beautiful, so I would probably use these as eyeshadows just because I don't know when I would ever be able to wear this. They are so soft and so beautiful though. I did a terrible job at swatching, but that is them there. So the purple one is Poolside, the pink one is 7-Day Weekend. The pink one I could probably use, but just very light-handed, just with a very light hand and kind of closer to the back just because I feel like it would leave a strip. The purple shade Poolside I probably would never use, but as an eyeshadow I'm sure it's beautiful. And this is the one and only Fenty highlighter that I own, so that's exciting, although I do wish it was in a color that I could use every day. That retails for $36. I forget how expensive Fenty Beauty can be, but this retails for $36. Next up, we have the Guess What You'll Be Naked in 1 Minute original coffee scrub from Frank Body. It is vegan friendly. I've never done like a body scrub or anything like that, but it does have caffeine, and I know that I tend to have dry skin, especially in the winter, so I'm sure this will come in handy. And there's quite a bit, and it is resealable, which is nice. And it says you can use 2 to 3 times per week for best results, so that is really cool. And this retails for $17. This is $16.95, but I'm just going to round up to $17. Next up from Pur, it looks like we have a brush set. I've never tried anything from Pur Cosmetics. This is a beautiful brush set with a little pink brush holder and all of these beautiful brushes. Let's see how many brushes come in this. So you have 11 brushes, and then this. I'm going to take all these out of the packaging. So here is what they look like taken out of the package. They are very, very soft, which is really nice. So I love that, and I love that it comes with a holder because you can never have too many brush holders. There you go. And the brush set retails for a whopping $49. Wow. So I'm excited to try those out. And then next up in the box we have from Persona, the lip gloss in the shade Honey. Wow, this looks beautiful. I've heard so many good things about Persona. I know this is a company owned by an influencer. I think her name is Sona. I could be wrong, and I'm so sorry if I am, but I have been really interested in the brand. For some reason, I just have never bit the bullet and bought anything. So this gloss retails for $16, and it is in the shade Honey. I don't have a lip gloss on right now, so I'm going to throw this on. I'll also swatch it for you. It is a beautiful nude, right up my alley. So let's put this on. Oh, it smells like a cupcake, like a vanilla cupcake. Very, very pretty. I will get a ton of use out of this. And it, as you can see, it is pretty opaque, so you can just wear it with like a lip liner or on its own. Next up from Kate Somerville, we have the Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. I right now use part of the Exfoliate, or I think it's the exfoliate line, but it's the one for acne, which I really, really enjoy. So I'm really excited to have this because Kate Somerville is not cheap. This bad boy retails for $85. My goodness, and it's only 2 fluid ounces. And it says that you can use it AM and PM twice a week. It just says apply a thin layer to clean wet face and massage into circular motions for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes and then rinse and gently pat. Dry. That is amazing. I cannot wait to try this because I have definitely had my eye on it for a while, but it is just so expensive. I mean, for only 2 ounces, it's $85. So really, really glad to get that in this box. Next up, we have a palette from Hipdot called the Zion Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $30. This is so aesthetically pleasing to me. I just love how that looks. Tie-dye is definitely in, so that is absolutely beautiful, and it is a pressed pigment palette. You are getting 15 shades, and I feel like this has a similar vibe to the eyeshadow palette that came in the premium box. I'm gonna go ahead and hold those up side by side just so you guys can see it. So here are both palettes. This bottom one is from the premium box, and this one here is from the luxe box, obviously. So they are kind of similar in the like color scheme, so I might not keep both of these. And since I haven't swatched either of them, one of these will most likely be going into a giveaway here soon. But both absolutely beautiful palettes, as you can see. This one definitely doesn't have as many vibrant colors, but really pretty. I've never gotten anything from Hipdot, so that's pretty cool. And again, that retails for $30. Down to the last 2 items here, we have 111 Skin. These are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. I am not a very big mask person, and I have so many masks, it's ridiculous. So I need to get on it or just give them away to people because I just have way too many. So these retail for $135. You guys, that's crazy. You get 4 masks. I think there's only 4. Let me see how many there are. You get 5. You get 5 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Masks, and these retail for $135. My goodness. It says the advanced structure of the 111 Skin Hydrogel Mask enhances absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. The Hydrogel Mask, in combination with 24 karat gold and damask rose extract, works in powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. Wow, okay, so there's 18 karat gold as well as rose extract. So maybe that's why it's $135 for only 5 masks. So I will definitely be trying these out. And hopefully it gives me a brand new face because for $135, it better do it all. That right there is well over the cost of the box. I think this box only retails for about $75. So pretty crazy. Last but not least, we have the Keratherapy Deep Conditioning Mask. This retails for $24 and it is 8 fluid ounces. I love hair masks because I know this is gross, but I don't wash my hair very often. I have really thick, coarse, wavy / curly hair, so I wash my hair maybe once a week. In the summertime when I'm really sweaty, maybe twice a week. So yes, every time I wash my hair, I use a deep conditioning mask. So I love having these around just because I do need a lot of moisture. And that is it for the Luxe box. I'm gonna go ahead and tally everything up and let you guys know the total price. So the total price of the box comes to $392, and I believe this box is $75. I never really know because you have to like qualify for the Luxe. They only have like a certain number of boxes, like a limited number of boxes. So I think they take the 25 plus 50, so I believe it's 75. So I'm just gonna subtract 75, and the total value of the box is worth of savings is $317, which is crazy. I'm still blown away by the fact that those masks cost $135, but I will say that I am happy with both boxes. Again, there are a couple of things that I won't use that I will end up putting in a giveaway, but you know, you can't win them all. To get a perfect box would be amazing, and one day I'm sure it will happen, but overall, I am very happy with what I got. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've filmed, so thank you guys for coming back. And if you are new, please, please, please click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family here. I would love to make it to 500 so that way I can do another giveaway. I love giving back to you guys. I know the last giveaway winner, I still have not sent anything out because of COVID. So I know that she is patiently waiting for her gifts, but please, please, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you do give this video a thumbs down, please just leave me a comment saying why, things that I can improve on. I am all for constructive criticism here. I am a brand new YouTuber, so anything that you have suggestion-wise, I will take too. So thank you guys again so much, and until next time, bye guys.